Hello, hello, hello. I am the Linux Mensch. This weekend, I spent quite a bit of time installing a new operating system in a virtual machine, of course, and one that I never installed before. So I ran into some trouble and some kinks, and finally I got it working. I installed a few apps, and I'm going to take a quick look at it. Can you guess what operating system it is? So let's get to it. So this is the virtual machine of my new operating system with the Cinnamon desktop. And it looks the same as it does in all my videos, regardless of what distribution I'm using. Arch Linux, Debian, Ubuntu, MX Linux, Linux Mint, whatever. I always make them look the same. So, here are my apps down here. There's my menu. I have a dark theme. There's my weather app. Oh, and you can't see that now, can you? There's my weather app. I love my weather app. We have Firefox here. Let's open up Firefox. There's Firefox. That's Nemo. I have LibreWolf. And for those who don't know, LibreWolf is a fork of Firefox. It's a hardened fork of Firefox. What they do is they take Firefox, they take out all the bloat and Pocket and all that garbage that comes with Firefox. They harden all the settings. So when you download it, you don't have to do anything to it. You can just start using it. It's safe, secure, and it doesn't have all the bloat. And a lot of distributions don't have LibreWolf. I know in Arch Linux, you have to get it from the AUR. So anyways, let's just make that full screen. And there we have it, LibreWolf. So let's close that. I have GNOME Calculator. Now, it does have LibreOffice is available in the package manager, but I haven't installed it yet. So what I've done with this distribution is I didn't do any automatic installation. First of all, when you install this distribution, it's a base installation, and then you install your apps after the fact. And I didn't do any automated, quick, fast installation of apps. I'm just installing one app at a time because it's the first time I've used the distribution and I'm not familiar with it. Can you guess what it is? So I'm going to close this and we're going to log out. Let's log out. Let's change into awesome. Put my password in. And now we're in the awesome window manager, which once again looks the same as it does in all my videos and in all my distributions, regardless of whether it be Arch, Debian, Ubuntu, Linux Mint, MX Linux, whatever. So I have the large print. I have everything large. I have my own menu in here. Now, not all these apps are installed. So, I mean, Nemo is. Let's close that. We have, like I said, LibreWolf. Opens up in here, fine. Isn't that nice? Firefox. Calculator. Kind of large, but hey. And I have PCman FM as well. Here's PCman FM. So I have everything arranged the way I like it. So have you guessed what distribution this is? Well, I'm going to open up a terminal and show you. And let's just use the mouse. And I also have Xterm installed and configured the way I like it. So let's go to Xterm. And let's do a neofetch. And there you have it. It's free BSD. And I installed Zesh with my own configuration file. And let's go there. And I installed Vim with my configuration file. So let's take a look at, let's clear the screen. Let's take a look at Vim, my ZeshRC file. So as you can see, I have my numbers in there for Vim. And I have my ZSRC file in. This is the one that I always use. So for instance, you open up a new file, vim test text. You don't get all those squiggly lines because normally when you open up Vim, the default Vim, when you open up a new file, you get all these little squiggly lines down here. I forget what you call them. So I have that installed as well. And also I did sudo the way I always do, where I don't add mention to the wheel group. I just make another line and put mention. Let's take a look at that. So in FreeBSD, the sudoers file is in user local etc. So we're in there now. Let's just do an ls. And let's vim into the sudoers. Now I'm in read only because I didn't go in with sudo. And just giving you a quick show here. So that's all I did. I just did that the way I always do. Now, of course, you're supposed to add your user to the wheel group, which is down here. But I just do it this way, the way I always do it. Get out of there. So that was just a quick look at BSD, FreeBSD. And I have a lot more to learn. I'm going to play with it and learn some more. And I'm going to practice doing at least one more install before I do one on camera. So that was just a quick look at my brand new installation of FreeBSD. I only configured it to a certain point, and I only put a few apps in there. So I want to, I intend to play around with it more, learn how to use it more, install some more apps, do some more configuring. I also want to do one more complete install off camera, just to make sure I know what I'm doing before I do one for a video. And also too, I ran into some problems and I had some kinks, which I'm going to talk about when I do my installation video. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. I am the Linux Mensch.